Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today I will be showing you guys how I make my Zaatar bread.
99 names of Allah.
So I use 1 cup of milk, 4 tablespoons of yeast, and 4 tablespoons of sugar. I mix them up and I let it sit for a little bit. I then slowly start adding in around 2.5 cups of flour. I start mixing it slowly and then I start kneading it with my hands with some butter. You want to add the flour in bit by bit because your dough may vary. After transferring onto my floured counter, I cut my dough into tiny pieces. I then put my dough away and let it sit so it could rise. I then start flattening my dough.
المجيد الباعث الشهيد الحق الوكيل القوي المتين الولي الحميد المحسن المبدئ.
I then use 1/3 cup of butter and then I add in a few tablespoons of zaatar. I then add 1 egg and start mixing them together. I then add tiny holes onto the dough and put my mixture on top. I then put it in the oven at 350 for around 20 minutes. And your dough should look like this, a little golden brown. This is really delicious to have with some soup, some rice, some butter chicken. Even alone, it's really delicious.